you for visiting Set for Increase's financial workshop page. Hey, we are super excited to be able to offer these financial workshops here in our community. Now, all of our workshops at Set for Increase are located right here in our office. Our address is 1795 Cogswell Street, Suite 101 in Rockledge, Florida 32955. Now, listed below, you're going to find the dates, the topics, and a short description of our workshops that we are offering this year. We are asking that you register to make sure you get reminders. Now come, be prepared to engage and participate in our interactive workshops. Here at Set for Increase, we are determined to help you reach your financial goals and put your money on a mission. See you at a workshop soon.